Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9AT, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery saver toggle, which is right over here in the top right corner. And from here all you need to do is simply tap on it to enable it. As you can see, it does turn the battery orangish, so you are aware that it is right now in power saving mode, and you want to be aware of it because when you put the device to sleep like this, after a couple minutes it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data, meaning that any kind of application that requires internet connection to give you updates, messages and stuff like that will not deliver any of those even though someone sent them to you because it has no internet connection. Now the moment you wake up the device like I did again, it automatically reconnects to everything and will sync up everything that it was missing, so all the messages will arrive at once you unlock it. Now additionally you can also drop down max brightness because it looks like the battery saver doesn't actually do that, so you can drop it by half and that will give you several additional hours of battery life if you want. And additionally, outside of that, you can also disable certain toggles that you might not be using. So for instance, location, you can disable that if you don't need it. If you're using anything else, for instance like hotspot or NFCs or stuff like that, then also you can disable those as well. Now anyway, from there you can also tap on the toggle itself to disable the power saving mode, and the device will go back to functioning normally. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.